Hi, friends. I'm Tanya Parkin, the on-site instructional curriculum coordinator for Lomitas Elementary School in Victor Elementary School District. I'm here today to share with you one of my favorite online reading resources called readworks.org. We're going to go check it out together. Readworks.org, if you just type in your address bar, we can go to readworks.org. If you have an account already, you can click login. Otherwise, we're going to go to sign up. Students may already have a login if their teacher's using it at school, so they can do that. Otherwise, let's click sign up. Educators and parents, this resource is offered completely free to you. So you're just going to go ahead and put all of that information in here and then get started. I'm going to click login because I already have an account and it'll just be faster to check things out. Once you get into here, this is essentially reading stories available for your students online. And they're all different levels. They're by grade level, they're by topic, they're by subject. So we're just going to play around with some of the features today and see if we can find something that interests us. So on the left-hand side, reading passages, just what it sounds like. Article a day, that's a 10-minute sort of daily routine, which might be super awesome while we're at home. And then paired text is going to give you sort of two different articles about the same topic. You also have question sets, vocabulary activities, all kinds of different things going on here. I encourage you to check them all out. Grade level, you can select one. So I'm just going to look for third grade articles today during our little demo. You can pick a subject if you'd like. So I'm going to open up for science and I'm going to go to life science. So now that I have my search features, it has already filtered for me all of these different things here. So we're going to click on an unlikely parasite, the mistletoe. Once I open this article up, you can see on the right here, it's intended for grade 3. It has 300 words, Lexile level 790. Lexile level, for those of you that don't know, is a way to measure a reading level. Many of your students may already know how to measure a reading level, what their Lexile level is. If they don't, you can just do a quick Google search to see what might be an appropriate reading level for your student's grade level, and then adjust up or down from there as you see fit. So here's the entire article here. It's got some cool pictures to go with it. One of my favorite features is that you can press the play button and it will read the article to you. So your students can practice their listening skills as well. Up here on the top tab, you can click on vocabulary. It'll give them some activities to do with some new vocabulary words. And then question sets, which are basically your comprehension, essentially, to see how well they remembered what they read. So if we go back to the passage itself, you notice down here there are now some related articles that go along with the topic that you've chosen. So you can have them read it, you can have them listen to it, do vocabulary, do question sets. You can go back to your search results and check out something different. Here's a cool poem they can be listening to. And then, of course, parents and teachers, we can always assign an additional writing assignment or an additional exploration activity to go along with the topic that's being studied. Teachers, you can send assignments. Parents, you can just pick up articles for kids. I encourage you to find an article about something that you enjoy today. Read the article, have it read to you. You practice reading it back. Check out the question sets and the activities, and then do a quick writing follow-up activity about what you enjoyed best about the article. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and learning about the awesome features of readworks.org. I hope this helps you find some reading material for your students and help keep their skills sharp. We will see you soon. Take care of yourselves and be well.